So students, today we will study about the types of RAM. Types of RAM, there commonly the types of RAMs are the three types of RAM: dynamic, static, and the magneto resistive. Okay, magneto resistive type of the RAM. So first we will study about today we will study about the dynamic RAM, that is DRAM. Okay, DRAM. Now what DRAM is a short name of the dynamic RAM. Like we are using that hard disk as HD, CD as a CD for the compact disk. In this way we are using the DRAM for the dynamic RAM. Now what is the quality of the DRAM? The quality of the DRAM is it is inexpensive and most popular type of the main memory is used in our computer. Generally we are using the DRAM in our computers. Now variant of the DRAM. Now we all know that the times always change and is the time of a research. Okay, we are living in the time of research. So DRAM is an inexpensive and the most popular type of the main memory we are using commonly. Okay, now what's happened, as the time period passes, the research will be done in the RAM and the quality of the RAM will be improved and technology is also improved. So because of the technology and quality, the name we give some names according to the technology or the speed or whatever the qualities are there, and that are the variants of the DRAM. Okay, so first one is SDRAM, means synchronous DRAM. Synchronous DRAM. What is the quality of this RAM? The quality of the synchronous RAM is faster and reliable. It is more faster and reliable. More faster and reliable means with whom? With DRAM. Now the next is DDR SDRAM. DDR SDRAM. SDRAM we already know. We study here. Okay, SDRAM. So DDR means double data rate and SDRAM. So double data rate means name itself indicates that where the data should be double, the transfer of the data should be double. So the quality of this DDR SDRAM is that it is more faster and transfer data twice. Okay, when the RAM will transfer the data twice, then definitely the speed of the transferring data will be increased and it works the faster. The next one comes DDR2. Okay, DDR2 means 2. This 2 indicates that this is a second generation. Okay, second generation RAM. So DDR2 is what it is? It is the second generation with faster speed. Okay, definitely it's a next generation, second generation, and definitely it improves. So the speed of the RAM will be improved. So it is faster and speediest. Okay, so the next one is DDR3. DDR3 means third generation with the multi-core processor. Okay, third generation. This 3 indicates that the third generation. This DDR is of third generation with the multi-core processor. Multi-core processor means work on a multi-core, not a single core, multi-core. Definitely if it is a multi-core processor, then the speed is automatically faster. So this is a third generation with the multi-core processor. Now next one came DDR4. DDR4 means, yes, right, fourth generation RAM and faster than the previous generations. Okay, faster than all the previous generation RAM.